Sonia Diato, recipient of the International Award for Promoting Gandhian Values Outside India, 2019. Sonia Diato, an Italian social artist, came to India in 1999 to explore the concepts of mandala and the universal archetype for peace and harmony. Thus began her journey of self-discovery as well, after her meeting with His Holiness Dalai Lama. Subsequently and gradually, she deepened the work of Mahatma Gandhi to create the commonness of humanity. In this process, a participatory research was developed by Sonia Diato with the contribution of different communities of India and indigenous people of Mexico, which led to the formation of Aura World Mandala. Aura in Latin means invitation to pray. World is our planet and its human continent, and Mandala in Sanskrit means circle. It is a global peace movement to promote the art science of Mandala with a vision of Sarvodaya being the ultimate goal. Practicing ahimsa, reconciliation as the first step, art science of Mandala being the medium, and truth the first vow. She fosters a culture of peace through education, sustainable economy and social development, human rights, equality between women and men, democratic participation and solidarity, participatory communication, and international peace and security. The art and science of a world mandala is a way to express the interdependence among all beings. Sonia Diato's long-drawn association with Gujarat Vidyapeeth led to her findings of the effectiveness of the integration of ahimsa and art. She strives to connect India with Mexico while experimenting at the antipodes with the tenets of Gandhian principles of truth and non-violence. Sonia uses art and activism to spread the practice of ahimsa and upholds cohesion among people through creative peace actions for unity, constructive work, and satyagraha, with courage and perseverance, against the backdrop of social and environmental malpractices like natural resource destruction and narcotic trafficking. Sonia Diato propagates ahimsa on a common platform with a positive impact. Training artists of ahimsa volunteers to form mandala peace actions. Effective adaptation of research outcome to the rural and urban education models. Concept of Khadi art to propagate collective community actions. Conflict resolution, with the most recent one being the first trans-border US-Mexico peace experiment, have been some of her many initiatives. The activities also generate interchange programs across Mexico, Italy, and India. As also, Sonia Diato's body of work includes Introduction to Gandhian Literature in Spanish for the benefit of the Mexican commoner. Sonia Diato innovatively contributes to awaken moral conscience, encourages community self-reliance, and brings harmony of human life with nature to build a peace bridge among different sectors and regions in the global arena.
This civilization is such that one has only to be patient and it will be self-destroyed. On the other hand, when the people of a land called India treat you like a daughter, embracing your dream of serving peace, no matter the color of your skin or your biological origin, the breath of life powerfully inhales the hope of reversing the process of this suicidal civilization. This unconditional love is what has driven me from the end of the past millennium to take a leap into the void, what in Italy used to be my empathy towards conceptual social art, in India transmuted towards the art of essence, an art of the awareness of being one with the universe, beyond our limitation and prejudice, an alchemical instrument to transform the heart of others and with them struggle against violence in the world. We can all be artists of ahimsa in this world participatory theater, because the art of essence, or the art of mandala, is inherent to the existence itself, and hence it inhabits those of us who feel the urgent need for action to rebuild a society up from the strength of love. That is the nature of Ora War Mandala, a concept that integrates an invitation to communicate expressed through the Latin root ora, but in a planetary dimension where the human continent is represented by the term word, that primordial mandalic circle. This is why I want to dedicate this important acknowledgement to the indigenous people, to peasants, to the religious and agnostics, to the students and professors, workers, adults, children, women and men, who in the antipodes of the world, India and Mexico, and also now in Italy and the United States, have decided to experiment with the art of mandala, placing ahimsa at their core and acknowledging the main axis of the constructive program of Mahatma Gandhi as their guide for action. Community unity, constructive cooperation, and autonomy. In this collective journey towards the common well-being and autonomy of the people, we invoke the insistence on truth, for the power of ahimsa to make visible what is invisible in this reenchantment of the world. I also express my admiration for the award winners of 2019 and all their predecessors, tireless artists of ahimsa and truth. And last but not least, I want to thank the generosity of Jamnalal Bajaj Foundation for singling me with this important acknowledgement, which I humbly accept with commitment on behalf of the all Ora War Mandala participants. The memory of Jamnalal Bajaj represents a great inspiration and incentive to achieve our mission of bringing ahimsa to reign in the world. Victoria, Victoria, Victoria al planeta ya. Jai Jagat, Jai Jagat, Jai Jagat, Pukare ja. Dhanyavad.